Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, future chief. It's awesome you're diving into Clash of Clans, even in 2025. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to kickstart your village right from Town Hall 1. We'll focus on those crucial first steps, ensuring you build a powerful empire from the ground up, right from the very beginning. As soon as you log in, the friendly tutorial wizard will greet you. Just follow his simple instructions to construct your first town hall, elixir collector, and gold mine. These are your absolute first buildings, truly vital for gathering resources and kickstarting your village's economy right away. Don't worry, it's super straightforward to get going quickly. To grow quickly, you'll need resources. Make sure to tap your gold mines and elixir collectors often to gather everything they produce. Head over to your barracks and start training some barbarians. Then, search for other villages with full, exposed resource collectors. These are perfect targets for quick, easy raids, allowing you to boost your own economy significantly. Protecting your village is important, even at the very start. Place your cannon to defend your town hall and resources from early attackers effectively. Your top priority should be upgrading your town hall as soon as it's available. After that, focus on offensive buildings like your barracks and army camps. This lets you train more troops for better, stronger attacks. Once you've repaired your clan castle, definitely consider joining an active clan. They'll provide powerful troop donations for your attacks and defenses, plus a great community for advice and strategy. Keep practicing your attacks, experimenting with new strategies, and most importantly, remember to enjoy building your unique village. Happy clashing as you grow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.